afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. It's your girl Lady P, Naija TV. So guys, today we are going to be making our chopping inside the local. Okay guys, so come along with me while you enjoy doing the chopping with us. I am with my girlfriends. Okay guys, come in. Hi guys, good morning. Lady P Naija TV present to you all. We are doing some chopping today. Alright guys, you see this everywhere, it's so beautiful. Oh la la. This is OK shop where they sell kids things. You see that? It's so beautiful. I love this jacket. This is good shop. Hola. Everything is so beautiful. How much? Yeah, not they wear those kind of trousers. See rice. So this is rice. How much the rice? Put €9. So this is the price. Rice, 5 kilo. Maybe the rice go good. I never tried them before. €9, €8.99. Something. See this coke where you say you want for buy that day. Hola. Come and see some wine. Maybe I'll come back for this one for my monetization party. Eh? All this one go that much. It's very cheap. Oh. I can't believe this. You see? I don't know. Easy. Yes. €2 something. This is Chateau Manze. So
Ça c'est douche.
what?
Douche.
Babe, come help and look wetin dey talk. Inventory garden. I don't know. Everywhere looks so beautiful. Oh la la. So this is where we make our shopping. Everywhere looks so beautiful. Now here we buy something that day. Then don't bring another one, come out. Check, eh? Check the price. You know some are different qualities. Sure. Okay, very fine. Be fine. Take one now. Okay. No one way, not fine. Now here for this fry pan. See, this right one fine. Oh, how much the right? Yes. Now, no, it no cost. Very fine. And I made in France. Wow. I like fry. Wow, I like this one. It's very portable. Oh my god. Tefa. Very portable. How much is the price? €14.40.
This one, no, not €40. This one.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Nothing.
Okay, this one at €40.
Yeah.
So.
Nothing.
Yes.
It's good, eh? Your whole big pass this one, eh?
Yeah, my whole big pass this one. Me, I don't like what they stress person. You pack the meat and gbogbo and put your fry on once. This one good. Yes. So guys, we are still making our chopping. You say? Yes. You know, say that thing. Hey, Black Diamond, come on. I'll soon born another baby. Oh, wow. I love this one so much. I'll soon born another baby. Join my princess. This one, how much the right boots? I will be having my 5th child now very soon because all these clothes are too beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. No, na baby boy I want, but this one I forget. I don't need girl for now. I get 2 girls. Although I have 2 boys, but no, I still need another boy. Oh my god. See. I love these jackets. Very fine. So So guys, we're still making our chopping. So you can see everywhere looks so beautiful. Oh my God, this is what I use for my cooking. Here is tomatoes. It looks so fresh. This is green pepper. Also we have carrots in here. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Wow. So this is what we have in France. Very cheap. I can't carry one. I might go use for weekend. Tomatoes, you want it?
Une verge dans le cul.
How much the rice? And because this one different from the other one.
What you bring for?
No, this one. You don't see the one where the right €1 something for kilo. That one different from this one. And this one cost pass. Yes. Oh my God, look at. Oh my God. Everywhere looks so.
Moi j'ai remis ça au bois. J'ai dit c'est peut-être le bois. Not the cheap.
It's cheap for here. I don't even know say cheap one day like this. I forgot they buy here. Yes. Like that one what I use.
And because it's a group of gala, they just not live at there.
Yes.
Okay.
I get many things from my phone and because me I don't need stress at all. Everywhere looks so beautiful. I love good things.
Non, comment tu vas, j'ai pensé à toi. Ça va te